welcome back. Today I will be telling you guys about the products that I use over weekends. So there are 3 of them. First, clean your face properly with your regular face wash or cleanser. Now take a spoon of honey and add coconut oil into it. I am using this coconut oil from Tribe Concept. So before starting, let me just tie up my hair very quickly. Also, I will not recommend this routine for people having oily skin or any issue with acne. This is only for normal skin and dry skin. So I am using this virgin coconut oil from Tribe Concept. Just take a little bit and add in that bowl of honey. Now we are all set for our mask. You just have to mix the honey and the oil, blend it together and apply it on your face. This is a homemade tightening and glowing mask. Just apply it evenly and you can see that instant glow. Keep it for 10 minutes and then rinse it properly. Next, I am using Kumkumadi oil from Tribe Concept. It comes with a dropper. Just take a few drops of it and slowly massage your face in the upward direction. You can use any other face oil as well, but I really prefer Kumkumadi oil since it has given a nice effect on my skin. So you can try this one, or you can just use your regular face oil which suits you best. I think you can use Kumkumadi oil for any skin type, but I will still suggest you to consult a dermatologist if you have an acne prone or oily skin. Gently massage your skin in the upward direction. Press your skin gently so that the entire skin soaks up your oil. So after massaging your face with oil, we'll move to the next step, and that is the application of gua sha. There are so many available in the market, but I'm using a quartz gua sha. I divide my face into 5 parts: jaws, cheeks, cheekbone, eyes, forehead, and then we have the neck. Start massaging with gua sha from collarbone to your earlobe. Repeat this process for 5 times. For the throat, you can use the C-curved part of gua sha tool. For the jaw, hold your lip and move the gua sha in the outward direction. Massage it properly towards your ear. Repeat this process for 5 times. Repeat the same process for your cheeks as well. Do the massage for 5 times. For our cheekbones, we are going to use the C-curved part. Do the massage in the outward direction. Pull your skin in the outward direction, but not in a very harsh way. The same application is being done over the eyes as well. Massage it from the center of the eye in the outward direction towards your forehead. We are using the straight part of gua sha to massage our forehead. Do this massage in the vertical as well as in the horizontal direction. Repeat this step 5 times each. Make sure you hold the gua sha in 45-degree angle and not perpendicular to your skin. We are going to repeat the entire step again from our forehead to our chin. We use the straight side for forehead, C-curved side for the cheekbone, curved part for the cheeks, and again we'll be using the straight side for the jaws. It is not necessary to do the entire step 5 times for each part. You can do it as per your convenience as well. Once you have completed one side of the face, it's time to do the same on the opposite side. You can also use another tool, and that is a face roller. I'm using a rose quartz face roller. The application is very easy. You just have to apply it in the outward and the upward direction. It is as simple as that. Also, it is advised to put the gua sha or the roller, whichever you are using, in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes before you're using it. It really helps to relax your face muscles and increase blood circulation. The roller also comes with a small end which is used to massage over your eyes and around your lip. Rose quartz is used to release the tension, elevate appearance of puffiness, fine lines and tired skin. You can use it over weekends, or if it is possible for you can use it every night before sleeping. The application is very simple. You just have to do it outward and upward. Now you can do the same thing on the other end. Once done, you are all set for your next week.